going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I have the Diode, I'm not sure how to say it, Dynamics Hitch Mount. It's an LED that goes in there. It's a 5-minute install, super easy. I just want to give you guys a little install video. If you're not mechanically inclined and you just want to do it the right way, this is the perfect video for you. So just to go over everything that's in the box, first we have the little LED pod. This is gonna go where the tow hitch is. It just slides right in and both buttons just pop into place. First thing we got in the bag is a harness, which is great because when I bought my tailgate light bar, I had to purchase the harness separate. So this is fantastic. Looking at the rest of the stuff that comes with it, we have some zip ties, we have some twist ties, and we have some instructions in here as well. Here's a little clip of the Op7 light bar that I installed way before I made my YouTube channel. If anybody has any questions on it or needs an install video, please comment below. So mine is going to look a little different than most of yours unless you have the tailgate light bar that's already installed. So where my right hand is, that clip is going to come off and you won't have this whole piece here, which is essentially a splitter for my light bar. The clip that's in my right hand now goes to your truck, so that'll be the one that you're removing. The one with the colorful wires, that's something that I had installed. And again, I hate to repeat myself, but just so it's not confusing, the clip that's hanging below is the one that would have came off the truck. The one in my left hand now would go into the truck, and then the one that's hanging at the bottom will go in the back of that one. So the piece in my right hand will be connected to the truck if you do not have a light bar. If you do have a light bar, it'll go into the end of the harness for the light bar. And then again, if you do not have a light bar, the clip that went into the truck is now going to go on the end of this harness. My apologies if that was a little confusing, but this next part you really can't confuse. So we're just going to take this wire, we're going to fish it through the hitch. Alright, we're going to pull enough wire through this so we can take our pod, take the connector, and we're just going to connect it. It only goes in one way, so give it a nice little push, let it click, and then we'll proceed with just putting it in the hitch. So you'll take it, you'll slide it through. As I bring the camera around, you see you got 2 tabs that are circular, and then you got 2 holes, and they just line right up. And when you press it through, you're gonna hear both of them click. There's no going too far or anything. It'll click and stop, and that's it. Once we're done with that, we'll get back under the truck and clean some of this up a little bit. Me personally, I just took the harnesses and tucked them up over the spare tire. It stayed in there perfectly, and then whatever other wires, I zip tied them wherever I could, just so they were out of reach for any rocks or debris coming up, chipping them or whatnot. And here's a daytime clip of the LED pod in action. It's at eye level here, so it looks a lot brighter than what it actually is, but this thing is really bright at night. And here's a few nighttime videos with and without the LED. It's kind of like having a flashlight on your back bumper. It's a very straight beam of light, but it's extremely bright, as you can see here. And here's a back bumper view. Difference is absolutely insane, but you be the judge. As you watch the view from the reverse camera, I just want to say I was not paid or given this pod to do this review. This pod is absolutely phenomenal. If I remember correctly, I paid around $140 for it, and I'd pay it all over again. I've taken it in and out, and the connectors have had no issues at all. And I do have 5% tints all around, so it just makes reversing and just driving in general that much better. I appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching this video. If this is your first time here, please like, subscribe, comment. There's not a single comment that I don't reply to. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway on my next video, so I'll talk to you guys soon. Later.